Today I want to show you how to make yogurt, your own real yogurt. So I used some milk, the grass-fed cow milk, and I warmed it up a little, and then while it is warming up on the burner, I stir it slightly. I use a silver fork, and I use a fork because I can get some drops. A drop off the fork, so when I test it on my wrist, which I'm doing right now, then I have basically 3 drops on there. It's easier than, I find it easier than using a spoon. So the milk is lukewarm now, and I have the yogurt here. I use 1 teaspoon of plain yogurt. I mix it up with a little bit of cold milk. See, it's very creamy now. So it's easier once I pour the milk into the glass to distribute the yogurt. And then I fill up my glass. And by the way, I wash this ladle with very hot water. One more. And then I'm stirring so the yogurt is evenly distributed in the milk. And then I add a little bit more. See, it's not quite full. I don't want to overfill it. So I will fill all of those. So here we have all 7 glasses filled up with the milk and stirred properly with, well, I use my silver fork to distribute the yogurt in the milk. Then I used a clean towel and wiped off the outside of the glass. See, there is some milk on the outside. That doesn't matter really. But if it's on the bottom of the glass, then it will dry here and you will have trouble getting the glass off the surface here. But it's not the end of the world. So you place all your glasses in here. 7. See? That's what I'm talking about. So there is some milk on the bottom of this glass. Okay, there's none. That's good. Here's some. None. Okay. And one more. One more. So, then plug it in. It is 8 o'clock in the morning. So 8 plus 8 is 16. That would be 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And I wanna let it run a little bit longer, so 6, 7 or even 8 o'clock at night. You can let it run for 24 hours if you want to, overnight. And then once the yogurt is finished, then you take out the glasses and I screw on the lid onto the warm yogurt. It keeps it sealed a little bit. And then I put all the glasses in the refrigerator, and it keeps, I don't know for how long, a week or so. It doesn't last long in our household. So have fun making your own yogurt. So this is the milk I used, grass-fed milk. Maybe you have a farmer close by and you can get your fresh milk right from there. And here you can see basically the finished product. It's just 12 o'clock, so I let it sit much longer. But if I take a spoon, you can see it's almost done already. So works pretty fast. But I let it sit for 10 hours or so till tonight. And then I put on the lid and put it in the refrigerator so I can enjoy it the whole week. Have fun. Take care.